Join me as I dive deep into the wild to figure out if African elephants really do help their environment. Let's see what I can discover. African elephants are often revered as the kings of the savannah, roaming freely across the grasslands and forests of sub-Saharan Africa. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact these gentle giants have on their environment? Do they really help or hinder the delicate balance of their ecosystems? African elephants face numerous challenges in the wild, from habitat loss and fragmentation to poaching and human-wildlife conflict. As their numbers decline, their habitats and ecosystems are also affected. The fragmentation of habitats can lead to the isolation of elephant populations, making it difficult for them to find food, water, and mates. This can result in inbreeding, which weakens the gene pool and further threatens the species' survival. As elephant populations decline, the structure of their habitats can also change. For example, without elephants to disperse seeds, certain plant species may struggle to spread, leading to a decline in plant diversity. This can have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, impacting other species that rely on these plants for food and shelter. Furthermore, elephants play a crucial role in shaping their habitats through their feeding and digging activities. As they uproot trees and create pathways, they create habitat for other species, such as insects, reptiles, and amphibians. Without elephants, these habitats may be lost, leading to a decline in biodiversity. In addition, the loss of elephants can also impact ecosystem processes, such as nutrient cycling and decomposition. Elephants help to distribute nutrients through their dung, which acts as a fertilizer for plants. Without this input, ecosystems may become less fertile, leading to a decline in plant growth and productivity. African elephants are ecosystem engineers, and their activities have a profound impact on their environments. One of the most significant ways they contribute to their ecosystems is through seed dispersal. As they roam through their habitats, they ingest fruits and then deposit the seeds in new locations, often in nutrient-rich dung. This process allows plant species to spread and colonize new areas, increasing plant diversity and promoting the growth of new habitats. Elephants also create habitat for other species through their digging activities. They dig water holes and create pathways that become important corridors for other animals, allowing them to move through the landscape and access vital resources. In addition, the digging activities of elephants can also create habitat for reptiles, amphibians, and insects, which rely on these habitats for shelter and breeding. Furthermore, elephants help to maintain the structure of their habitats through their feeding activities. By uprooting trees and creating clearings, they create habitat for light-loving species, such as grasses and wildflowers. These clearings also provide important habitat for insects, reptiles, and amphibians, which rely on these areas for food and shelter. In fact, one of the most surprising discoveries about African elephants is their role in maintaining forest ecosystems. Researchers have found that elephants are crucial for the regeneration of forests, as they disperse seeds and create pathways that allow tree species to colonize new areas. Without elephants, these forests may not be able to regenerate, leading to a decline in forest cover and biodiversity. One of the key insights from our exploration of African elephants and their environmental impact is the critical role they play in maintaining biodiversity. By dispersing seeds, creating habitat, and shaping their environments through their feeding and digging activities, elephants are ecosystem engineers that underpin the integrity of their ecosystems. In conclusion, African elephants are far more than just charismatic wildlife, they are also crucial components of their ecosystems. By supporting conservation efforts and protecting elephant habitats, we can help to maintain the health and integrity of these ecosystems, ensuring the long-term survival of countless species that rely on them. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of African elephants and their environmental impact. Let me know in the comments what you think about the role of elephants in their ecosystems, and be sure to check out my other videos exploring the fascinating world of wildlife.